Hello my dear students and welcome to a new revision lesson. In today's lesson we will revise the present simple tense, the present progressive tense, the past progressive tense, used to, and stative verbs. Let's start with the present simple tense. Read the following question, then stop the video and think of the answer. Yes, I've heard all the students have chosen the second answer. Plays. Wonderful. But why have you chosen plays? Yes, I've heard one of the students said, Mister, we have a time expression every day. Every day refers to the present simple tense. Excellent. What other time expressions do we use with the present simple tense? Excellent. Always. What else? Often. Great. What else? Sometimes. Excellent. What else? Usually. Excellent. What else? Every. And so on. These are some of the key words that refer to the present simple tense. Okay, now, how do we form a sentence in the present simple tense? We use verb plus s or es or ies with he, she, and it. And we use the base form of the verb play with I, we, you, and they. Now let's go back to the question. Ali. Ali means he. And with he, she, and it, we add s to the verb. So the correct answer is plays. Now stop the video and think of the answer. Now, what do you think the correct answer is? Yes, I've heard all of you. Yes, excellent. They have chosen the first one. Watch. Why? Why have you chosen watch? Excellent. Because it's a present simple tense. And how do you know? How do you know it's a present simple tense? Yes, because we have a time expression or a keyword. Do you still remember the keywords from the previous question? Yes, always. Let's write them. Always, usually, often, sometimes. Excellent. What else? Every. Okay. Every day, every week, every month. So these are the time expression or the keywords for the present simple tense. And how do we form a sentence in the present simple tense? We have two forms, watch and watches. When do we use the base form of the verb? Yes, excellent. I, we, you, and they. And when do we use watches? Excellent. With he, she, and it. Let's go back to the question and have a look here at the subject. Here in the question, the subject is they. And with I, we, you, and they, we use the base form of the verb. Now let's have another type of questions. Stop the video and think of the answer. Put the verb in brackets in the correct form. I've heard all the students write walks. Excellent. But why? Look here, we have a time expression, often. It's a time expression for the present simple tense. Okay, so we will use the base form of the verb or verb plus s. Let's go back to the subject. Fatma. Fatma means she. And with he, she, and it, we add s to the verb. So the correct answer is walks. Number 2, present progressive tense. Now read the question carefully, stop the video, and think of the answer. Yes, I have heard all of you have chosen C, is riding. But why? Why have you chosen is riding? Yes, because it's present progressive. And how do you know? How do you know that the sentence is in the present progressive? Excellent. We have a keyword or a time expression. Now, what other keywords do we use to refer to the present progressive tense? Now, excellent. At the moment. Excellent. What else? This week, these days, next, tomorrow, and so on. And how do we form a sentence in the present progressive tense? Yes, we use am plus verb plus ing. Is plus verb plus ing, or are plus verb plus ing. What about the subject pronoun that we use with am? Excellent. I. What about is? He. Excellent. He, she, it. Okay. What about are? We, you, and they. Excellent. Let's go back to the sentence. Let's have a look at the subject. Ali. Ali means he. And with he, we will use is plus verb plus ing. So the correct answer is riding. Read the question carefully, stop the video, and think of the answer. Okay, what is the correct answer? Excellent. I've heard all of you shouted, are playing. Excellent. So the correct answer is are playing. But why? Why? We have a time expression at the moment. This time expression or this keyword refer to the present progressive tense. And let's have a look at the subject we. We use we with are. We are playing. So the correct answer is are playing. 3. The past progressive tense. Read the question carefully, then stop the video and think of the answer. Yes, I've heard some students have chosen were having. Excellent. But why? Because after a while, yes, we use past progressive, then past simple. How do we form the past progressive? we use was or were plus verb plus ing. What about the subject pronoun that we use with was? Excellent. We use I, he, she, it. What about where? Excellent. We use we, you, and they. So the correct answer is were having, because we use they with were. They were having. Put the verb in brackets in the correct form. While Ali spaced his bike, he fell. Okay. Here we have agreed that after a while we will use the past progressive. How do we form the past progressive? Excellent. We use was or were plus verb plus ing. Yes, what about was? The subject pronouns that we use with was. Excellent. We use I, he, she, it. What about where? We, you, and they. Okay, now Ali. Ali means he, and with he we will use was. So the correct answer is was riding. Take care that we will drop the letter E before adding ing. Number 4, used to. Read the questions carefully, stop the video, and think of the answer. Yes, I have heard some students have chosen C, and other students have chosen D. Let's find out which one is correct, C or D. Let's have a look on how do we use used to in the interrogative form. We use did plus subject plus used to plus the base form of the verb. Okay? Take care that we drop the letter D. So in the interrogative form we will drop the letter D. So the correct answer is used to without adding the letter D. Okay? Why? Because this is what we called interrogative form. Read the questions carefully, stop the video, and think of the answer. Ahmed didn't go to the cinema when he was young. How do we use used to in the negative form? Okay, we use subject plus didn't plus used to plus the base form of the verb. Okay, take care that in the negative form what happened to the letter D? Excellent, we will drop it. So the correct answer is used to without adding the letter D. Okay? Number 5, stative verbs. Read the question carefully, stop the video, and think of the answer. I space a cup of tea. Excellent. I have heard all of you have chosen the first one, won't, because it's a stative verb. Read question 1 and 2 carefully, stop the video and think of the answer. I've heard all of you have chosen thanks. And in the second example, they have chosen are thinking. But why? In the first one, it means or it expresses an opinion. So, thanks here expresses an opinion. So, we will use the present simple tense. Think or thinks. Think or thinks. Ahmed, he. So, we will add S to the verb. Ahmed thinks. Here, in this example, Ahmed expresses his opinion. Okay? What about the second one? Think in the second example means consider or plan. So, we will choose are thinking. That means we are planning of spending our coming vacation in Spain, but we haven't decided yet. But in the first one, Ahmed expresses his opinion about Hassan al-Haydous. Ahmed thinks Hassan al-Haydous is the best player in Qatar.